Hi students, good morning all the children. Are you ready for the class? Welcome to EVS class all the children. Okay, sit properly. All are on your videos, Nana. So most of the children still did not on your videos, Amma. I think you are not ready for the class. Ayan, Bhavyashri, Manideep Reddy. So you all are first on your videos, Nana. Okay, very good. So today I am going, previous class I am given hard words, isn't it? This lesson hard words I am given mapping our neighborhood lesson. Isn't it? Which lesson hard words I am given? Mapping our neighborhood. You know all the children. So that is you complete your textbook, workbook and field notes. Okay? And I will do correction also. So today I am going to start new topic. Okay? Today I am going to start new topic. Okay, what is our topic? You know, we all are travel. Daily in our life we are traveling. Isn't it? From one place to another. Yes, very good. What is our lesson name? 12th lesson. Transport system. What is the lesson name? 12th lesson. Transport system. Transport. So, lesson name is transport system. So, you know very well. Transport is a transport. It is a movement of people. What is a transport? It is a movement of people. So, first to listen carefully and take out of your running notes and listen carefully. And all are on your videos. Okay, children? Yes, very good. So, animals and goods from one location to another location. From one place to another place. So here, you know very well, everyone's life traveling. We all are traveling from one place to another place. Isn't it, students? One place to another place. So, from one place to another place is called traveling and carrying goods from. Here I am writing. What is transportation? Here I am writing. Traveling. Okay. Traveling and carrying goods traveling and carrying goods okay, from one place to another. From one place to another. Traveling and carrying goods from one place to another is called. Okay, one place to another is called. Transportation. What is the transportation? Traveling and carrying goods from one place to another is called the transportation. Right, all the children? You take out of your running notes and write. What is transportation? Here I am writing. Transportation. What is transportation? Traveling and carrying goods. Carrying things from one place to another. Isn't it? For example, your grandparents are having Hyderabad. Your grandparents are living Hyderabad. You are traveling, you are not going by walk. But in that older days, where they are using only bullock cart or by walk they are going. Isn't it? So, but nowadays we are using from Hyderabad car. Isn't it? By car, we are going by car and by bike or bus or auto or car, anything. So we travel, we are going fast in that place. But in the olden times, when they are going by Hyderabad or any place, they are going by walk only. And they are using bullock cars, bicycles, and the time have tempos. So see here, traveling and carrying goods from one place to another place is called the transportation. So there are various means of transportation are there. You know, different means of transportation. Now here I am going to explain different types. Yes, very good. Trains also. Okay, different means of transport. Now here I am going to explain different means of transport. What I'm explaining here? Different means of transport. Okay, see, you know very well. How many types of transports are there? Already you learned in third class. Isn't it, students? How many types of transports? Can you say anyone? What I'm asking. Means of transportation. Different types of transportations here I must. You know, yes, maybe Haran is correct. We can travel on an auto also. But what here I am asking, different types of transportation. 3 types of transportations are there. How many types? 3 types. And what is the first one? Land transportation. We can travel on land, isn't it? So what is the first? Land class. It is classified into different means of transport. It is broadly classified into 3 types. It is classified into 3 types. One is yes, very good, Rajput Manisha, air transport. First one is land transport. What is the first one? Land transport. And the second one is water transport. Water transport. And next third one is air transport. What is the third one? Air transport. How many types of transports are there here? 3 types of transport. One is a land transport and another water transport and next one is air transport. Did you understand, children? Different means of transport are broadly classified into 3 types. Isn't it? First one is land transport, second one is water transport, third one is air transport. Total 3 types of transports are. Isn't it, students? Now first one here, what I'm explaining, first one is land transport. What is the first one? Land transport. Now here I'm going to explain first land transport. Land transport refers to vehicles that are moving on land. Did you understand, students? So these are vehicles are moving on land. Now here I'm going to explain land transport. Okay. So say how many types of transports are there? Classified into 3 types. What is the first one? Land transport. Yes, very good. Land transport. Water transport. Yes, air transport. First, Satvik, sit your place properly. Satvik, sit your place properly. Bali Rakshit, sit properly. Mende Mahendra, on your video. Those who are not on your video, I will give absent. Did you understand? Manikanta, sit properly. Ayan, on your video. Bhavyasri, on your video. Super Venu, on your video. D. Vignesh, on your video. Okay, students? Yes. Sit properly, Satvik. Satvik, what happened? Sit properly, I said. Did you understand? Don't shake your mobile. Keep it in permanent place. Okay. Yes. So it is classified into 3 types. One is a land transport and another one is water transport and next one is air transport. Total how many types of means of transport is it? 3 types of means of transport. Isn't it, students? Now first one is land transport. Land transport refers to vehicles that are moving on land. Isn't it, students? These are moving on land. You know very well. Many examples are there. Moving on land. Land transport can be further divided into 3 groups. water transport, air transport. So now here I am going to explain land transport. Land transport means it is refers to vehicles that are moving on land. Did you understand? It is moving on land. Again, it is divided into three groups. Okay, it is divided into three groups. Land transport is divided into three groups. And first one is a transport on kacha roads. Transport on kacha roads. Transport on kacha roads and transport on roadways. Transport on roadways means it is a pakka roads. Okay, pakka roads. Next one, third one, transport on roadways or pakka roads and transport on rail tracks. And what is the third one? Transport on rail tracks. Okay, students, did you understand? So here, how many actually land transport? It is refers to vehicles that are moving on land, isn't it? So these are not moving on water. It is moving on land. Did you understand? So here, now here I am going to explain about kacha roads. So it is again, it is divided into three groups, isn't it? Land groups, land transport is divided into three groups. One is a kacha roads and another one is a transport on roadways or transport on pakka roads. And next one is transport on rail tracks. Transport on rail tracks. Okay, it is divided into three groups. Now first here I am going to explain transport on kacha roads. What is the first one? Transport on kacha roads. Isn't it, students? Yes. Now here I am explaining animals. First here I am explaining first one. What is the first one? Transport on kacha roads. Isn't it? Did you understand or not, children? Satvik, you are disturbing a lot. Your mobile is moving always. So you are shaking. So you keep it in one permanent place, boy. How many times I told you? You are disturbing a class. Gangapuram, Komali, listen carefully. Okay, very good, Manichandana. So did you understand all the children what I am explaining? So what is our lesson name first? Transport system. What is the lesson name? Transport system. What is transportation? Traveling and carrying goods from one place to another place. It is called transportation. Okay. And it is what here I am explaining different means of transportation. It is classified and it is broadly classified into three groups, three types. What are the three types? Land transport, water transport and air transport. Now here I am going to explain, here all I explained about first land transport. So land transport also, it is refers to vehicles moving on land, isn't it? And it is also divided into three groups. One is a transport on kacha roads, transport on roadways or pakka roads, transport on rail tracks, isn't it? So now here I am going to explain transport on kacha roads. Okay, what is the first one? Transport on kacha roads. You know very well. Some of the villages we can see many times. In your, you know, many members are there, village people are there in your class. Iskila, Munipampula, Dubbaga, many members are there. So here animals like, you know, many animals are there. Ox and next bullock carts. So these are driven by the bullock carts. Okay, and next one some other animals. Okay, animals are the bullock carts and horse, tonga, you know very well tonga, isn't it? So horse rider, isn't it? So that is tonga and as cycles. Okay, these kacha roads, how it is moving on? So moving on kacha roads, we are using bullock carts. Okay. Example, just simple example, bullock carts and tongas, cycles. So we are using on kacha roads. You know, for example, if we are going any places in the village only, we are going some of the places near the crops. We can go. How we can go? We cannot drive the car on that places, kacha roads, isn't it? For example, if you go the any farm, if you can go any farm, we are not using car because of that roads are totally kacha roads. They are not have a pakka roads, means we are not using any what is calling, it is a what dambar road, black road. It is not have any black road. It is totally kacha road. It is totally filled with mud, isn't it? Soil. So that is what that is kacha road. That in that roads we are using only bullock cart, cycles. Only sometimes we can go in the bikes also. But how it is, isn't it? So it is when we are going in the car in that place, we can't go because of it is not have a lot of places. Place also we can see the place also. It's very few some place, isn't it? So we can't go in that kacha places in the buses, cars. So that is why we are using bullock carts, tonga, and cycles. And nowadays we are using bikes also. Okay, and so are the common types of vehicles. Common types of vehicles in the villages. You know, in the villages, some of the villages still some of the cement roads are there. But in the farms not have any cement road. Isn't it, children? So we can go only bullock carts and next I said already, tongas, bullock. So most of the we are using only bullock carts on the place. And tractors also going. Isn't it, tractors? And next because of nowadays it is developing, isn't it? Nowadays it is developing how they are way also they can fill with the soil. So they are all, it is constructing some, isn't it, children? So that is kacha road. So in other places, most of the villages, common types of vehicles we are using. Common types of vehicles in the villages. Did you understand? Bullock carts are the common types of vehicles villages. Did you understand, children? So this is about kacha roads. Kacha roads means, for example, you know very well kacha house. How it is kacha house? It is not. It is just it is totally a roof. Roof is how it is. Roof is we are constructing with palm leaves. Isn't it? Palm leaves we are using. And sticks we are using. So it is not a strong, isn't it? House is not a strong house. Like here kacha road is also not a correct, not a proper road actually. Isn't it? It is a not proper road. It is totally, we can go only bullock carts and cycles. And nowadays it is developing. That is why we can go bikes and tractors also we are using. Why? Because ploughing the field. Isn't it? Ploughing the field. That is why they can way also nowadays it is developing that way, kacha road way. Why? Because they are totally, they are not constructing with the cement too, but they are filled with that road filled with the soil, or they are developing just now. Okay, children, did you understand? Next one is, what is the next one? Roadways or pakka roads? Roadways, you know very well roadways. The cycle, rickshaw, scooter, auto, everything, car, jeep, bus, truck. So you know main road. Have you seen main road? You know very well, isn't it? So that is black road. We are using in the dambar and concrete, the cement, all are mixed and they construct one road. So it is a means of transport. So the cycle, rickshaw, scooter, auto, bus, and jeep, truck are the means of transport on pakka roads. Okay, so here these means are very common in town and cities. Town means, for example, in your mandal, Ramannapet is our mandal. You know very well. In our mandal is a totally, it is a main road. How it is a main road? It is a pakka road, isn't it? And next one we can see that and towns also. Isn't it, children? In the towns also, it is a pakka road. It is constructed with cement, bricks, sorry, bricks not, concrete, cement, sand. Use and they construct a pakka road. Isn't it, students? So, here, cycle rickshaw, scooter, auto rickshaw, car, jeep, bus and truck are the means of transport on pakka or metal roads. It is also called a metal road also. Metal road. It is also called as metal road. Okay, it is also called a metal road. And these means are very common in towns and cities. It is a very common word in the towns and cities. You know, India has the largest network of roadways. India has the largest network on the roadways. So this is about transport on roadways or pakka road. You know pakka houses. It is a very strong house. Pakka houses are very strong house, isn't it? So it is constructed. We are using in the pakka houses constructed with the cement, bricks, sand, and next iron. These all are using and construct the one house. So why? Because it is very strong house. What is that, M Vignesh? Why are you typing capital letters? You don't know capital letters? M Vignesh, what happened? M Vignesh, I am asking you. Why are you typing capital letters? I am asking you. So it is a pakka house. Pakka house. It is a very strong house. Like pakka roads also, we are also these roads are constructed with cement, concrete, and sand. And we are using in the some of the black roads are there, no? In the main road. So in the damper also we are using. And small pieces of concrete also we are using. Isn't it, children? So these are very common in towns and cities. So these roads are pakka roads are very common in cities and towns. Isn't it? Next one, India has the largest network of roadways. India has the largest network of roadways. Okay, this is about transport on roadways. Did you understand, students? So this is transport on roadways. And next one is third one. What is the third one? Transport on rail tracks. What is the third one? Transport on rail tracks. You know very well. Trains run on rail tracks. You know very well how it is a train. Isn't it like this? These are the rail tracks, no? Isn't it? These are the rail tracks. Trains run on rail tracks. There are separate trains for carrying passengers and goods. Isn't it? Goods means things from one place to another place. From one place to another place, carrying. Things are carrying from one state to another state. Isn't it, children? So different types of trains are there. Trains for carrying passengers and goods. There are separate trains for carrying passengers and goods. Okay. So the trains for carrying various types of goods are called goods trains. You know, sometimes we can see the black what is that? Things, some of the goods they can take. It is transferred from one place to another place. Isn't it? They carried from one place to another place some of the goods. Okay. So this is about the transport on rail tracks. Metro trains also are there. Isn't it? Metro trains are very popular means of transport. Metropolitan cities. Metro trains are very popular. Isn't it? And you know, some of the Ramannapet also have one railway station. Isn't it? So where have the railway station? These trains are when it is giving the signal. When it is giving signal, so immediately stop there. So red signal, you know very well. Red signal is, and I'm telling you here, not have any three signals. You know very well. On the roads, when we are crossing the roads, we can see the three signals. One is a red signal, orange signal, green signal. Isn't it? But in train signals are only two. One is a red, one is a green. Isn't it? One is a red symbol and another one is green symbol. Not have any orange symbol in that. Okay? Only two signals are there. So in the railway station, when that shows the one red signal, immediately train will stop. So when it is again, when we can show that green signal, it can go. Did you understand? So these are the transport on rail tracks. Okay, students. So here what I'm explaining, transport system. What is transportation? Traveling and carrying goods. Not only the human beings, goods also carrying. Okay, traveling and carrying goods from one place to another is called. One place to another is called transportation. So you know different means of transportation. How many types of transportation, means of transport are broadly classified into three types. One is a land transport, one is a water transport, and next one is third one is a air transport. So today already we discussed about land transport. Again, land transport also broadly it is classified into three groups. One is a transport on kacha roads, transport on pakka roads or roadways. Okay, and transport on rail tracks. So these are the three groups. Now here, transport on kacha roads are the, we can see the only in the villages. Mostly we can see in the villages. So they are traveling on bullock carts and everything. Okay, children, this is about your land transport lesson. Sorry, land transport group. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain water transport and air transport. Did you understand all the children this lesson? Still, if you have any doubts? No. Okay, tomorrow I will continue this lesson, children. Thank you. I hope you all are understood. Now I am going to end this class.